Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile Cloud in Pakistan. Cloud gaming allows you to play high-end games on less powerful devices because the game processing happens remotely. This means you can enjoy smoother gameplay and better graphics without needing a premium smartphone. It offers a fantastic solution for many players across Pakistan who want an enhanced gaming experience and a competitive edge. To enjoy PUBG Mobile Cloud, a stable internet connection is absolutely crucial. Aim for at least 20 megabits per second download speed, ideally higher, to prevent lag and ensure smooth visuals. Additionally, a reasonably modern device, even if it is not top tier, will provide the best streaming experience. Your device simply needs to render the video stream effectively, not process the game itself for optimal play. Several cloud gaming platforms are available globally, and you will need to find one that either natively supports PUBG Mobile or allows custom game installations. Look for services with servers geographically closer to Pakistan to minimize latency, which greatly impacts competitive gaming. Research their subscription models and game library before making a choice, ensuring they fit your specific gaming preferences and budget effectively. If you need to end the split screen session, it's quite simple. The easiest way is for one player to disconnect their controller or leave the game. The session will automatically revert to a single-player display. Alternatively, the primary player can simply return to the main lobby, which will prompt the second player to leave. Restarting the entire Fortnite application will also reset the display to single-player mode. This ensures a smooth transition to solo play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.